It's a 2020 Audi A4. Exhilarating performance and passionate design connect for an unrivaled driving experience. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.